Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Apache Samza, a powerful stream processing framework. Samza is designed to handle real-time data streams with high throughput and fault tolerance. Unlike traditional batch processing systems, Samza excels in environments where data arrives continuously, such as user activity logs, IoT events, or financial transactions. Its deep integration with Apache Kafka makes it a natural fit for Kafka-centric architectures. Samza shines when you're working within a Kafka ecosystem. It leverages Kafka's strengths for messaging and state management, offering fault tolerance out of the box. Samza also supports running on modern orchestration platforms like YARN and Kubernetes, giving you flexibility in deployment. Understanding Samza starts with its core concepts. A stream is a sequence of messages, often from Kafka. Tasks are the units of work that process these streams. A job is a collection of tasks, and containers are the runtime environments where tasks execute. These abstractions allow Samza to scale efficiently across clusters. Samza differentiates itself from other stream processors by its tight coupling with Kafka. While Flink excels in low-latency event-time processing, and Storm offers real-time processing with less state support, Samza brings native Kafka integration and built-in state management. Spark Streaming, on the other hand, uses micro-batch processing which may not suit all real-time needs. Samza's architecture is built around Kafka and YARN. Jobs are broken into tasks that run in containers. Kafka's log compaction is used for state management, ensuring fault tolerance and recovery. This design allows Samza to scale horizontally and recover gracefully from failures. When you submit a Samza job, it gets scheduled on YARN or Kubernetes. Tasks are initialized, containers are allocated, and stream processing begins. Samza also handles state recovery and periodic checkpointing to ensure data consistency. Samza offers both high-level and low-level APIs. The high-level DSL simplifies stream transformations, while the Task API gives developers full control. Samza supports Java and Scala and integrates with Kafka streams for enhanced capabilities. State management in Samza is handled through Kafka's log compaction. This ensures that state is durable and recoverable. Samza supports both local and remote state stores and provides automatic checkpointing for seamless recovery after failures. Samza provides fault tolerance through automatic checkpointing and recovery. Tasks are automatically rebalanced across containers, and the system scales horizontally by adding more containers. This integration with YARN and Kubernetes makes it highly adaptable to cloud-native environments. Running Samza on YARN allows it to benefit from YARN's resource management capabilities. Tasks are dynamically allocated, and the system provides automatic failover. This makes Samza deployments both scalable and resilient. Samza also supports Kubernetes, enabling cloud-native deployments. Helm charts simplify setup, and Kubernetes handles scaling and orchestration. This makes Samza a great fit for modern DevOps environments. LinkedIn uses Samza for real-time activity tracking and user behavior analytics. The system processes millions of events per second and leverages Kafka and Samza for scalability and fault tolerance. When comparing performance, Samza excels in throughput for Kafka-based workloads. Flink offers ultra-low latency, Storm is fast but lacks strong state support, and Spark Streaming introduces micro-batch delays. Configuring Samza involves YAML files where you define job settings, resource allocations, and Kafka consumer parameters. Proper tuning ensures optimal performance and resource utilization. Monitoring Samza jobs is straightforward with built-in metrics and logs. Integration with tools like Grafana or Prometheus enhances visibility. Debugging is aided by container logs and task-level insights. Samza integrates with Kafka's security features to provide authentication, authorization, and encryption. Secure container environments further protect your data and processing logic. Deploying Samza in production involves setting up CI/CD pipelines, version control, and monitoring systems. Resource quotas ensure fair usage, and rollback mechanisms provide safety during updates. While serverless stream processing offers pay-per-use models, Samza provides more control and consistency. It's better suited for predictable, high-volume workloads where serverless may struggle with cold starts or cost. Best practices include designing idempotent logic, leveraging Kafka compaction for state, monitoring resources, and planning for effective data partitioning to avoid bottlenecks. Samza benefits from an active community and continued support from LinkedIn. Integrations with Kafka and YARN make it a strong part of the Apache ecosystem, with various plugins extending its capabilities. To dive deeper, explore the official Apache Samza documentation, LinkedIn engineering blog, GitHub examples, and community forums. These resources offer valuable insights and practical guidance. Apache Samza is a powerful tool for real-time stream processing, especially in Kafka-centric environments. Its fault tolerance, scalability, and strong ecosystem make it a top choice for enterprises building real-time analytics systems. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your Samza use cases in the comments. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.